When it comes to maintaining a comfortable and efficient home in Colombia, one essential consideration is your windows. Energy-efficient windows are an investment that not only enhances the comfort of your living space but also saves money in the long run. If you're wondering whether it's time to upgrade your current windows, here are some key signs to watch out for. Noticeable drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the most telltale signs that your windows need an upgrade is when you feel drafts coming in, even when they're closed. Drafts indicate that your windows are not properly sealed, allowing air to seep through. This means your heating and cooling systems are working harder to maintain a consistent temperature, leading to higher energy bills. Energy-efficient windows provide superior insulation, preventing air leaks and ensuring a more comfortable indoor environment. High energy bills. If your energy bills seem higher than usual or keep rising without a clear cause, your windows could be to blame. Older windows, especially single-pane varieties, are notorious for being inefficient. They allow heat to escape in the winter and let heat in during the summer, making it difficult to keep your home comfortable. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with double or triple panes, as well as low emissivity, low-E coatings, can significantly reduce energy loss and save you money on your utility bills. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. Do you find it challenging to open or close your windows? Are the locks no longer functioning correctly? Difficulty in operation can be a sign of aging or warped frames, which can compromise the efficiency of your windows. This issue not only affects your home's comfort but can also pose a security risk. Energy-efficient windows are designed for smooth operation and often come with advanced locking systems, enhancing both convenience and safety. Condensation between panes. Have you noticed condensation, fogging, or moisture buildup between the glass panes of your windows? This is a sign that the seal on your double or triple pane windows has failed. When the seal is compromised, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, and your windows lose their energy efficiency. Upgrading to modern energy-efficient windows will ensure a tight seal, preventing moisture problems and maintaining optimal insulation. Outdated single-pane windows. If your home still has single-pane windows, it's time to consider an upgrade. Single-pane windows offer little insulation and are often drafty, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows typically feature double or triple panes with gas fills like argon or krypton, which provide superior insulation and reduce heat transfer. Excessive noise from outside. Are you constantly disturbed by traffic, construction, or noisy neighbors? Older windows often lack adequate noise insulation. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce sound transmission, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Upgrading can significantly improve your quality of life by minimizing unwanted noise. Visible damage or decay. Visible signs of wear and tear, such as cracked glass, warped frames, or water damage, indicate that your windows are past their prime. Damaged windows can lead to air and water infiltration, compromising your home's structure and energy efficiency. Investing in new energy-efficient windows will not only address these issues but also enhance the overall aesthetics of your home. Frequent need for maintenance. Do you find yourself constantly painting, caulking, or repairing your windows? Older windows often require more maintenance due to weathering and age. Energy-efficient windows are typically constructed with durable, low-maintenance materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or high-quality wood, reducing the need for frequent upkeep. Benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows in Colombia offers numerous advantages beyond improved comfort and lower energy bills. These windows can enhance your home's curb appeal, boost property value, and even qualify you for energy-saving incentives or rebates. Additionally, by reducing energy consumption, you'll be contributing to a more sustainable environment. Final thoughts. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it's time to consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable home and reduced utility costs, but you'll also make a positive impact on the environment. Reach out to a trusted window professional in Colombia to discuss your options and start enjoying the benefits of energy-efficient windows today.